70mm, 4K, A800S, Cam 2022, firmware update procedure from version 1.0.10ww to version 1.0.13ww. Caution. Keep in mind, if you are not completely sure what and how to do it, do not even do this, because you can damage your device. For downloading new firmware, mobile phone need to be connected with internet via Wi-Fi or mobile connection. Firmware is now downloaded to a mobile phone, and next step would be push him to a 70mm dashcam via Wi-Fi connection. Firmware transfer from mobile phone to 70mm is now in progress. The upgrade package is being pushed to the recorder. Please do not exit this interface. The upgrade package is being pushed to the recorder. Please do not exit this interface. After the successful transfer of firmware, 70mm dashcam needs to be restarted, and the final installation of the new firmware begins. Caution. Do not stall or remove from charge during update, as this can easily damage your device. Now we have a new firmware, 1.0.13ww, installed on 70mm dashcam. That would be all. Thanks for watching.